Hi everyone, my name's Katie. Today I want to walk you through how to remove an image background within your Microsoft Excel. The first thing that you're going to do is insert the picture that you want to edit. So you'll go to Insert on your top ribbon, go to Pictures, and then you can select from this device, Stock Images, or Online Pictures. And I'll select this rooster here that we own. I'll insert this picture, bring it up to my top corner, and I'm just going to shrink it down so it's a little easier to work with and everyone can see it better. All right, so now there's two ways that we can crop this photo. The first way, you can click on your picture, which will bring up your picture format tab up at the top. You'll go over to crop on the far right. Select this button, and what will happen is you'll see these black lines appear around your box. These are what allow you to crop. So you can just click and drag these. So the problem with this one is that there's still a lot of background to this picture, which I don't want at all. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to show you a different way to do it. The second way to remove your background is you can come up to the Remove Background button. I can click on this, and what will happen is the background that I want removed will automatically turn purple. So Excel already did this for me. I don't have to do any work. Now, if there's things that you wanted to keep, you can come use these buttons, Mark Areas to Keep, or let's say some of it didn't get removed properly. You can select this button here, Mark Areas to Remove. Now, I think it did a great job on this rooster, so I'm just going to select Keep Changes. And there, I have my little rooster that I can move around now. And it's just him, there's no background image. So that's two ways to remove your background. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and comment below with any additional videos you want to see or any content you want.